Restoring control, fixing change and release. Uncontrolled change is one of the fastest ways to lose trust. Failed releases, endless rollbacks, disconnected processes that leave business leaders asking, "Who approved this?" The Fixer restores control. We rebuild change governance, streamline approvals, and reconnect IT with the business. From emergency changes to complex release cycles, we embed clarity and discipline where it's been lost. With Fixer, there's no theory, just execution. We use your existing tools and embed our proven playbooks. Governance frameworks are rebuilt, release processes are streamlined, risk is reduced, and outcomes are predictable again. Because when change is managed well, innovation flows faster, systems stay stable, and IT earns the confidence of the business. Pink Elephant, South Africa. The Fixer. Restoring control. Fixing what matters. Fast.